Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Xfinity account locked or suspended. First, understand that this usually happens due to multiple failed login attempts or suspicious activities detected on your account. So wait for some time, then try logging in again with the correct credentials. If you still cannot access your account, use the forgot password option to reset your password and unlock your account. Then check your email inbox for any messages from Xfinity explaining why your account was locked or suspended. Follow the instructions provided carefully. Now you may be asked to verify your identity by entering the code or confirming account details. If your account remains locked, contact Xfinity customer support and provide the required information to recover the access. That's how you fix Xfinity account locked or suspended. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to